Hi friend, welcome to the abstract algebra class. It is class 62. In this class we will prove and we will solve a question, and also we will define automorphism of group. First, we want to solve a problem about homomorphism of group. Example: if phi such that z10 into z20 be a homomorphism defined by phi of 1 is equal to 8, then find kernel phi and phi of 3. Solution: we know that z10 is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on up to 9. z20 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on 18, 19. A belongs to z10. This implies phi A belongs to z20. Here z10 with respect to addition moduli 10 and z20 with respect to addition moduli 20 or abelian groups. 0 belongs to z10 and 0 belongs to z20. 0 belongs to z10 and 0 belongs to z20 or identity elements. Now phi such that z10 to z20 be a homomorphism defined by phi of 1 is equal to 8. It is given in the statement. Here actually we analyze that example. Now we want to find phi 3 and kernel of phi. We know that phi 1 is equal to 8, phi 2 is equal to phi 1 plus 1 addition moduli 10 is equal to phi 1 plus phi 1 addition moduli 20 is equal to phi 1 8 plus 8 addition moduli 20 is equal to 16. Phi 3 is equal to phi 1 plus 2 is equal to addition moduli 10 is equal to phi 1 addition moduli 20 phi of 2 is equal to phi 1. We know 8. Phi 2 is equal to 16. 8 plus 16 20 8 plus 16 moduli 20 is equal to 8 and 16 will become 24. 24 divided by 20, the remaining or the remaining will be 4. Therefore, it is equal to 4. Phi of 4 is equal to phi of 1 plus addition modulo 3. 3 is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 20. Phi of 3 is equal to phi of 1 is 8 addition modulo 20. Phi of 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 4 plus 8 12. Phi of 5 is equal to phi of 1 plus 4 modulo 10 is equal to phi of 1 plus phi of 4 modulo 20 is equal to addition modulo 20 is equal to phi of 1 is equal to 8 addition modulo 20. Phi of 4 is equal to 12. 8 plus 12, it will be 20. 20 divided by 20, the remainder will be 0. Phi of 6 is equal to phi of 1 plus 5 modulo 18 is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 20. Phi of 5 is equal to phi of 1 is 8 addition modulo 20. Phi of 5 is equal to 0. It is equal to 8. Phi of 7 is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 18 6 is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 20. Phi of 6 is equal to phi of 1 8 addition modulo 20 addition modulo 20. Phi of 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 8, it will become 16. Phi of 8 equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 18 7 is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 20. Phi of 7 is equal to 8 addition modulo 20. Phi of 7 is equal to 16 is equal to 8 plus 16 24. 24 divided by 20, remainder will be 4. Phi of 9 is equal to phi of 1 plus 8 addition modulo 18 8. It is equal to phi of 1 addition modulo 20. Phi of 8 is equal to 8 plus addition modulo 20. Phi of 8 equal to 4. 8 plus 4, it is phi of 0 is equal to 0. Now we want to find kernel of f. Kernel phi. Kernel phi is equal to f belongs to Z such that, according to the definition of kernel, such that phi of a equal to 0. It is equal to phi of a which number is the phi of which number is 0. Phi of phi is equal to 0. Therefore, a belongs to Z is 5. Actually, phi of a belongs to Z. Therefore, those elements which phi of a is equal to 0, phi of 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 5. Kernel of phi is equal to 5. It was the solution of this example. Now we want to define automorphism of group. Automorphism. Let G be a group. Let G be a group. Then an isomorphism morphism from G into G is called automorphism, or we can say a mapping f such that G into G is called automorphism if such that if three conditions hold. One, f is 1 1, 2 f is onto, 3 f is automorphism. It is the definition homomorphism. F is homomorphism. F is a homomorphism. This is the definition of automorphism. Let G be a group, then an isomorphism from G into G is called automorphism, or a mapping F such that G into G is called automorphism if three conditions hold. F is 1 1, F is on 2, and F is homomorphism. Example: let G be a group F such that G into G defined by Fx equal to x for all x belongs to G. Clearly F is an automorphism because Fx equal to x is 1 1 and Fx equal to x is on 2 and Fx is homomorphism. Therefore, we can say that Fx equal to x for all x belongs to G is an automorphism of group. Thank you.